Hello everyone. This is a small story about a girl named Sophie. Sophie is a very kind girl. She lives with her family. She has a small puppy. His name is Buddy. Buddy is very cute. He is soft and golden. Sophie loves Buddy very much, and Buddy also loves Sophie. Every morning they play together in the garden. They are very happy. Every day Sophie goes to school, and Buddy waits for her at home. When Sophie comes back, Buddy runs to her. He is always excited. Sophie smiles every time. This is their simple and happy life. But one day, something strange happens. Sophie comes back from school. She calls softly, "Buddy, I am home." But there is no answer. She looks around the house. She looks in the garden, but Buddy is not there. Sophie feels confused. "Buddy, where are you?" She starts to feel scared. Buddy is missing. Sophie runs inside the house. "Jack, Buddy is missing." Jack is shocked. Sarah and Michael also come quickly. Everyone is worried. They all start searching for Buddy. Sophie calls loudly, "Buddy, Buddy." Jack searches near the house. Sarah checks the garden. Michael checks the street, but Buddy is not found. They go to the park. They look everywhere, but still, no Buddy. Sophie sits on a bench. She is very sad. Tears come from her eyes. "I miss you, Buddy." That night, Sophie cannot sleep. She keeps thinking about Buddy. "Where are you?" Jack comes to Sophie. "Don't worry, we will find him." Sophie feels a little better. Next morning, Jack sees something. Footprints near an old house. This is a clue. They go near an old house. It looks dark and quiet. Sophie is a little scared. Suddenly, Sophie hears a sound. Woof, woof. Sophie stops. "I hear Buddy." Sophie runs fast. Behind a wooden fence, Buddy is there. He is trapped. "Buddy!" Buddy barks loudly. Jack quickly opens the fence. Buddy is free. Sophie hugs Buddy tightly. Tears of happiness come. "I missed you so much, Buddy." Buddy licks Sophie's face. Everyone smiles. Buddy is safe now. The family goes back home. Everyone is happy again. Buddy is playing in the garden. Sophie smiles. This was a very emotional day, but everything is okay now.